Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my tube. I've worked at IRS for 10 long years. I am a national expert in IRS resolution matters. I'm always here to tell you the truth. The thing about me is I was IRS, so you're hearing from me from someone who is the source and someone who's been in tax defense for 41 years. I've been on all the major news stations, so if you want to learn about me, go to 777irs.com. If you have years and years of unfiled tax returns, there's a lot of people on the YouTube barking about this and barking about this. Well, there's one truth that you have to know. It's very easy to get yourself back in the system. People are they're afraid to file. They are afraid to file their back tax returns because they're afraid of what IRS is going to do. I know this because I worked at IRS. I used to go and bang on doors, ask people, summons people, have people come in. Once you don't file a couple years, there's a fear in the heart of people. They just don't want to file their tax returns. I know this. Like I said, I worked this job. Well, you have to get over that fear because there's a point where truth starts setting in over your fear, and you need to hear what that truth is. IRS wants you back in the system. You're going to say, well, why? Well, they want you paying your taxes again. Yeah, they don't want you not paying the taxes. It doesn't help them. And this fear and this guilt is going to grind away at you. It just does. It just does. There's a fear that comes with this. So what you have to do, you only have to file the last 6 years of your tax returns. That's it. Just the last 6 years. So no matter how many years you haven't filed, it doesn't make any difference. Only the last 6. Where you're saying, well, where do I start if I haven't filed those back? Very simple. Somebody like us or whoever pulls a transcript and you find out what IRS has on you, W-2s or 1099s in the system, you start with the official record of IRS and then you build your case from there. So if you don't have the returns, then someone prepares the returns. So if you're self-employed with or without records, there's easy ways to reconstruct these tax returns. And pretty much that's what somebody does. Like we just reconstruct the returns. We know how to do this. We use a packet that we give you, very simple. You fill out as much information and we kind of fill in the rest of that stuff. But we get you back in the system then when you go ahead and get your tax bill. At that point in time, we can go ahead and work out either a part pay agreement. You may not be able to pay the tax. You can be put in currently non-collectible or settle your tax debt. Your case will end one of those 3 ways. Stop being stressed. Don't be ridden with guilt. Don't have all this fear. IRS, I've never had a case re-audited. No one's ever lost their car, their bank account, nothing. All you got to do is get your tax returns filed. Call me if you want. It's an easy process. Stop the fear. Just call me. I don't know, the number's there somewhere. Give me a subscription or a like or whatever the hell, or share with someone you know who hasn't filed. I'm telling you, as God is my judge, it's an easy way to get back in this system. Thank you.